Now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
A good Tuesday morning to you, East Texas. Here's a live look here from the south side of Tyler, showing a really nice start to the day. Check out those colors here on that sunrise. Also looking at temperatures in the upper 70s right now, and it's only going to be getting warmer as we go through the day today. Checking out what we're seeing across the region, we've had plenty of cloud cover this morning across the eastern half of the state, and even some shower and thunderstorm activity, especially in some of our southern counties. Here's a look at some of those storms. Right now, really seeing the intensity of these storms come down, but earlier we were looking at a lot of lightning, really not seeing much of that at all anymore, but still could see a couple of downpours out there this morning. And here is a look at those rain chances really increasing as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, and then starting to come down as we head into your weekend. And Futurecast does show that potential later today for an additional chance for a few showers and storms to be getting going, especially as we head through the afternoon and evening hours. Then we'll get a break tonight before another chance does come on Wednesday. That's whenever we could see maybe even widespread showers and storms out there. So we will be looking at that chance for some rain really increasing here as we go through the next 12 to 24 hours. And also, when we talk about the rainfall, the amounts could range from about a ½ inch to an inch, maybe even some isolated higher totals if you get under some of those heavier storms. You know, we've seen, like yesterday, we saw some of those storms become pretty heavy, and that can put down a lot of rain in a short period of time. So we will likely be seeing some isolated heavier totals out there. Temperature wise, we're sitting at 82 in Houston, 83 in DFW this morning, and here across East Texas most of us are in those 70s, but it's not going to stay in the 70s as we go through this afternoon. We're going to be getting into those 90s, maybe even flirting with 100 degrees in some spots. So it is going to be a hot one out there today. Heat index values of around 110 degrees. So for that reason, another heat advisory is in effect today, even an extreme heat warning here for Harrison, Marion, and Cass counties through this afternoon. Out in the tropics, the Gulf is quiet, pretty much cloud free for now, but that's not the case here across the rest of the Atlantic basin. Here is Hurricane Aaron, a Category 3 hurricane. Winds right now 115 miles per hour. This is moving off to the northwest, and that motion is expected to continue, bringing it between Bermuda and the east coast of the U.S. And what that's going to do is it's going to provide a lot of rough surf and even some coastal flooding here to some parts of the eastern seaboard, especially the outer banks of North Carolina. And then Aaron starts to move away as we head into the weekend. Also looking at two more areas that have the potential to develop out in the tropical Atlantic as we go through the next 7 days. So lots to watch in the tropics, but back home today will be really hot and with a chance for a couple of storms out there. 99 is that high temperature. Overnight tonight, we're going to be seeing those lows in the 70s, a few clouds and humid conditions as we go here into your 7-day forecast. You can see that we're looking at some scattered showers and storms out there, especially Wednesday and Thursday, and then those chances decrease into the weekend. As we look here at what we're seeing for deep East Texas, similar forecast overall, but we're not going to be looking at a lot in the way of rainfall totals, maybe 1 to 2 inches in some spots.
Okay, Braden, thank you. We appreciate it. We'll have your job board up next on your Tuesday here.